Okay, this is a Suburban Pilot water heater, and to light the Suburban style, take this black knob, turn it to Pilot. You'll line that up with this little red line here on the face. Push the Pilot knob down and light a lighter up inside this hole on the side over here. And if you look up in there, you'll be able to see a small flame, and it may take a few seconds to get gas to that area, but once it lights, you'll light that and just hold it. Hold this button down for approximately 30 seconds or whatever it takes. Some take longer than others, but normally it's about 30 seconds. Once that's lit, let the knob up and turn to on, and your water heater will fire up and run. On the face, this is the temperature setting. You have a high, medium, and low on this model. The low temperature is about 120 degree water, the medium is about 130, and the high is around 140. Now in the high setting, the 140 degree water will scald in about 6 seconds. It'll cause third degree burns in as little as 6 seconds. So if you have small children, you're going to want to kind of keep this down a little bit, because if they get a hold of that water faucet or whatever and they turn the water on and it's all hot, they can burn themselves pretty bad in a short period of time. So you'll want to keep this maybe a little lower. And this is your pop-off relief valve up here on the top. It's set for 150 psi or 210 degrees. If something malfunctions in this valve, this will allow water to spray out so that it doesn't over pressurize the tank. But in that, this will weep a little bit because of the water in the system and it being a closed system. There's really nowhere for the pressure to go. So as the water's heating up, you may get a small drippage out of here, and that is normal. As long as the water is not running out, you know, like a steady stream coming out of here, it's okay. A small amount of drip is normal. Okay, this is an Atwood Pilot water heater, and it's basically to light it and turn it on. You have the blue button here on the front. Turn it to Pilot, and you're lining that up with this little arrow right here on the top, and it's spring loaded just a little past that arrow. So what you'll want to do is turn the knob past, take your lighter, light in here, hold this until your Pilot lights, and you can see it right in here. Hold that to the Pilot position for approximately 30 seconds or whatever it takes. Some take a little longer than others. If you let go of it and it goes out, just reach in there, turn it back, and relight it again. Okay, and then you turn this, let the spring loaded go back to the Pilot position, then just simply turn this to on, and your water heater will light. This lever here, slide across the top. This is your temperature setting. There's a small little mark up here on the top. This is medium. You have turn it down a little is this way, and turning it up is this way. Medium on this line is approximately 130 degrees of water temperature. Anything more, you can turn it up. The maximum is going to be about 140, but at 140 degrees, the water can cause third degree burns in as little as 6 seconds. So if you have small children, again, you need to keep this down in the lower, either mid to lower setting, to not have that water as hot. And then when you want to turn it off, you simply turn this to the off setting and everything should shut down.